Element Materials Technology has recently completed the landmark purchase of TRaC Global in a deal that represents Element's largest single acquisition to date. I'm here with Mark Heaven, TRaC CEO, and Charles Knoll, President and CEO of Element, to discuss what it means for both companies and how customers are likely to benefit from the acquisition of TRaC by Element. Charles, so what does it mean to TRaC customers and what changes are they likely to see?
Well, I think it's business as usual. It's very important that the TRaC customers will still have access to the TRaC experts and still expect the same level of expertise and service.
We'll continue staying ahead of the curve, we'll continue investing, we'll continue matching their requirements as and when they arise.
They also get access to the Element network, and within Element we've particularly specialised in material technology, whereas TRaC is specialised in product qualification testing. And I think having that combined platform is really a big advantage for our clients.
For the future though, we'll be able to offer a lot more, and a lot more in areas that they were not able to buy from us before, or in locations that they couldn't get to us before. So yeah, good news for our customers.
What's the significance for both companies?
I think the significance is that Element is really, it's a testing company. We're a pure play testing company, and that's great for TRaC. It means that the staff from TRaC will be working with fellow technical experts, and that we can really expand the level of capabilities we have to service our clients.
I think the significance is that we bring a lot of new facilities and core assets that weren't available within Element before, and Element bring a much bigger international spread for us. So we're very complementary. We've got lots of activities going on now that they didn't have before, and certainly we've got lots of things that we can offer that we didn't have before. So yeah, really positive.
How big a factor was the expertise of TRaC in this market?
Oh, it's the key. I mean, our business is really, we're a very technical company, and our customers look for us for technical expertise where we can really help them to go through complex testing programs and support them when there are issues to deal with. And we've seen today from the presentations at the beginning that TRaC have got a really solid technical team, and they're really a great addition to the engaged experts that we have within Element.
We've grown to be the largest, a very dominant player in the UK market, and you do that because you're experts in what you do. Element recognised that and took us on as a business that was already flourishing, with a view to taking that expertise to different levels now.
And how will the acquisition help companies with the challenges they face in the current market?
I think where our expertise really kicks in is in helping customers to develop their testing programs. That everybody's faced with tough economic challenges, and testing is a cost. And also testing is an important part of often the bids that are being made by our clients to their customers. And if we can really work closely with them, we can help to define very efficient testing programs, which ultimately helps them to be more successful as well.
I think this is really down to the fact that we are really good at what we do, the expertise that we've got, and we're well tuned into the markets that people are trying to get to. We understand that it's important to get to market quickly, effectively, efficiently, and we can provide all of those in the same way that we've been doing before, but on a much bigger platform.
What's the future for the business as a result of the acquisition?
Well, I think it's more of the same. That as a business, we've been on quite a journey for the last 4.5 years. Our company is growing at about 25% per annum. That we're really bringing together a unique range of capabilities, and we're seeing it's very well received from our customers. And I think that we will continue to expand, we'll continue to add expertise and capability into our group, and TRaC really fits at the centre of that.
I think the future is very, very bright now. We've got a much bigger platform that we can work off of. We're part of 51 facilities across the globe now in terms of test labs and so forth. So we are now in a position to be able to roll our services out much easier over an international market.